VeChain has developed a lot lately. If we take a look at the price, we can see that the coin has really taken off tremendously and is now on rank 13 among the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. But of course, price is not everything, and in this video we will take a look at what VeChain actually is, what it's good for, and how it works. Even though the internet has been around for decades, suppliers still track their shipments using paper and outdated computer programs. On the one hand, this is very inefficient and prone to errors, and on the other hand, it creates the following problems. If it turns out that certain goods are bad or something is wrong with them, it can take days to trace all the goods and initiate a recall. In addition, there are many counterfeit goods, creating an entire billion-dollar business that exploits supply chain tracking through all the vulnerabilities that exist. VeChain aims to solve these problems by using a blockchain, which is a universal supply chain tracking protocol. Thus, the shipments and goods can be uniquely identified and tracked. Let's take a look at the three main use cases. First, the technology helps with a more transparent food supply chain. VeChain-enabled Internet of Things devices can be used throughout the entire supply chain for products, vehicles, and warehouses. Environmental and location-based data can be collected and verified and then stored on the secure and decentralized blockchain. Another use case is the anti-counterfeiting in the luxury goods market. By attaching an encrypted chip and then using it to log and track logistics, storage, maintenance, and resale, owners can always ensure authenticity. Then there's the healthcare use case for the health data. Instead of using inefficient and insecure record systems for lab results, this sensitive data can be stored on the blockchain with only patients and other authorized parties having access. Next, let's take a look at how VeChain works. VeChain is built on what's called the VeChain-VeThor blockchain and is a dual token system, meaning there's the VeChain token, VET, and then there's the VeThor power token, VTHO. Basically, you can say the VeChain token is responsible for the financial transactions on the blockchain, and the VeThor token is the power token and used to make and support those transactions on the blockchain. VeChain uses a proof of stake protocol, and this means that the network participants who hold VeChain and therefore use it to add blocks to the blockchain will be paid a reward in form of VeThor tokens. In this case, the tokens do not even have to be actively staked. Whoever holds VeChain automatically receives VeThor from now on. In fact, you get exactly 0.000432 VeThor per day per VeChain. VeChain even uses a more special form called proof of authority. Here, transaction blocks are also routed through so-called master nodes, which must hold at least 25 million VeChain. Because of the structure and the way the blockchain works, VeChain is able to scale up to 10,000 transactions per second. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. VeChain is really an interesting project with a lot of possibilities. If you want to know how to easily invest in VeChain, feel free to check out the video description. There I have linked you a video of mine where I show you step by step how to buy VeChain very easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.